quickly before we hop into the video, I just want to say thank you to everyone who has clicked on the video. If you are new here, this is one of the views you often see. I stream here on YouTube. Right now we're doing PS5 and Xbox stock tracking, but as well as I do game streaming. I play Call of Duty, I play Among Us, I play Fall Guys, I play Fortnite, I play a bunch of things, basically a bunch of multiplayer games with you guys for the most part, every single day, pretty much, and we play into the early morning. You don't have to do anything special, just subscribe and come play. That's it. So if that sounds like something you want to be a part of, then definitely subscribe and take that notification bell. And also follow me on my social accounts, link below, because often YouTube does not alert my subscribers when I go live. So I post literally everywhere, Twitter, Instagram, and Discord whenever I go live. So if you don't want to miss out and you want to come play with us, definitely subscribe and follow everywhere. And with that, let's get into the video. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Slightly different angle than you're used to seeing on here, but this is going to become, or it's going to begin to become, a semi-regular thing when I do unboxings for different tech, electronics, phones, you name it. We're going to probably unbox it here because I'm also, just as big as I am into gaming, I'm into tech as well. So as you can see, we have the Galaxy S21 5G right in front of us today, just released today. Ran over to my local Best Buy and picked it up, as well as the smartwatch 3. It was on sale. Because usually, and the thing that always gets me back to my iPhone is there is no good solution for the Android wearable device when it comes to the smartwatches. And I'm someone who actually uses my smartwatch every single day. I use my Apple Watch every day. I pop it on in the morning, and that is a big thing for me, especially when I'm on the go, or just so I don't have to have my phone in front of me all day, because I do get a good amount of notifications all throughout the day, and I don't want to constantly have to pick up my phone, especially if it's not anything important. So what always gets me back to iPhone is how good the Apple Watch is, and there's kind of no comparison when it comes to the Android side. There's been many other Android smartwatches, but none of them really kind of hold up to it. So we picked up the Galaxy Watch 3 to see if that could kind of sway me into using this a little more instead of just a couple of days then going back to the iPhone because of the Apple Watch. But enough rambling on. We're going to go ahead and crack this thing open. Get our trusty scissors here. I'm going to try to do this as best we can. I am awkwardly positioned behind the camera, so we're going to see how it goes here. As you can see, just like with this year's iPhone 12, they went with the smaller packaging to, lessen the amount of waste created on the production of all these devices, which I guess makes sense, but some people do need the chargers, and these coming without the chargers is kind of, the bricks anyway, is kind of unfortunate for those who don't already have them. But when we first open up the box, we get this lovely Samsung covering right here just to protect the display on shipping and everything. So we're just going to get rid of that. And this will be probably one of the fastest unboxings you'll ever see on this channel if this becomes a regular occurrence. But this is it. So right out the gate, we have front and center the phone itself. We're going to go pop that out very nicely, set it off to the side for a few moments. We're going to see what else is inside of here. So we have some Samsung packaging here. We have the SIM removal tool that comes with all these phones. I have probably hundreds of these laying around, but we have that. We're going to crack this open. More than likely, it's just going to be some, as it is similar to the iPhone, just your charging cable. No brick is included with this phone. So if you do not already have a fast charging Samsung device, or maybe a Android phone that uses USB-C, then you're going to have to buy that separately. It is USB-C to USB-C, as you can see right here. So you will have to buy that separately, like I said, if you don't already have the brick on hand. And that's just, like I said, what they're doing to try to limit the waste made when they make all these devices here. We got your quick start guides, your different information about different things you can do with your phone, different information from Samsung. We never need any of that, so we're just going to put that to the side. And yeah, like I said, that is pretty much the shortest, quickest unboxing you'll ever see here. So we're gonna get all this over here nicely. And we have the device on hand. We have the gray color. It was actually the only color they had in stock. It comes with 4 different color variations. And honestly, I kind of like the violet. Honestly, the Phantom Violet, I believe it's called, it looked really nice. But this was the only one they had in stock, so this is the one we grabbed. So we're just gonna power this on, see if it comes with any juice, and it does. Fantastic. And just to kind of give you a little bit more information of the phone, I'm sure you already know the specs by now, but has the latest Snapdragon processor in it. We have 8 gigabytes of RAM. This year, they are using a plastic for the device. It is a fancy plastic, but it is plastic nonetheless. So you won't get that all glass, all metal feel that you might be accustomed to with higher premium phones, higher end phones. But I have to say, honestly, I really like how it feels in hand, honestly. So you don't have to worry about the feel of the phone or if it'll feel too cheap or how it feels in the hand just because it is plastic, like I said. So if your determining factor is the material that your phone is made out of, I don't think you really need to be concerned about this one. So let's just quickly set it up and we'll be right back. And we're back. We got everything set up. We got the fingerprint in there. And I gotta say, on first glance, I'm gonna turn the brightness down a bit so you guys can see the display a little bit better. I gotta say, on first impressions, that fingerprint is so much faster. That fingerprint scanner is so much faster. If you use Samsung phones in general, I'm sure you've experienced your fingerprint just not recognizing or it taking a few tries to do it. And I'm awkwardly positioned behind this camera, and I'm not even trying to land really on that spot. So they increase the area where the fingerprint is readable. So that definitely seems that it helped big time because, like I said, this is so much faster. It would get so bad for me that would make me not even want to use the fingerprint scanner on Samsung devices. So that's already one big upgrade that I'm seeing that I'm very excited about. But yeah, we went ahead and set it up. Everything's downloading. I'm not going to go too heavy into the phone. Like I said, this just was going to be an unboxing. Not going to go too heavy into the phone. Like I said, this was just going to be unboxing, my initial impressions. And I got to say, right out the box from jump, I'm liking what I'm seeing. They definitely made some improvements, especially with that fingerprint scanner. I'm already seeing that. I'm liking that. I'm liking the speed. The display already looks nice. The feel in the hand is very good so far. So we're going to see how the 8 gigabytes of RAM, the downgrade from the S20, we're going to see how that is going to really impact the phone, if any. We'll see, though. With the Snapdragon 888, it shouldn't be an issue, I can see. But we're going to put it through its paces, and we're going to see how it is. And we're going to see if this phone can replace or at least be a secondary phone to my iPhone whenever I want to get a taste of Samsung or mostly Android. So if you guys are interested in my follow-up video to whether or not this phone, in my opinion, is worth keeping, worth buying, worth upgrading from, worth upgrading to, actually, if you have a previous generation device or maybe you're coming from an iPhone, definitely stay tuned. If you enjoy the video, please drop a like. If you have any comments, any questions, please leave them in the comment section below and subscribe for more. Like I said, this channel has been primarily gaming, and it will remain gaming. I stream right here on YouTube, playing games with you guys. But I do want to incorporate some tech because I'm big into tech, not just gaming, and I want that to be seen and shared with you guys just from a normal consumer's perspective and not a big-time reviewer, really. So just to give you another side of the veil when it comes to these different products that come out that these companies release each year. So with that, we're going to wrap it up. Like I said, if you like the video, please drop a like. Please subscribe for more. Turn on post notifications. All the links you need will be in the description to follow me on all my socials if you feel so inclined. And until the next one, everyone, you guys stay safe. I'll see you all in the next video.